Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Monique from Created by Mo for You. I wanted to bring you a quick video unboxing on my Spellbinders package I received. I believe I ordered these things from Black Friday, and just going through and showing you some of the items. That's the lemongrass, I believe that's called, and the other one is candy apple, some glitter. So I wanted to try it. Very good deal I received in my best ever craft tape. I also received some foil dies, and I'll go through those as well. And then for the highlight, the unboxing of the limited edition Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine. Love it. It's beautiful. I'm so happy that I got this limited edition version. It's so pretty. So stay tuned to the end, where I show a few cards that were put together from some of the dies that I cut using the machine after the unboxing. And if you're interested to know where I've gotten any of the supplies, or interested in any of the products, or have a question, please leave a comment. Let me know that you like the video, or if you have a question or anything you'd like to say. And I appreciate all your support. Subscribers and new friends, thank you so much for sticking around. And I hope you enjoy. And I'm going to put on some music and allow this to continue. I hope that you're all well. Everyone have a great day. Bye.